Hi, I'm Edric Woo, the lead designer for Maggie Sottero. This is actually the Carson dress, which is kind of like the whimsical boho chic look. And this is what is trending actually, is the corset boning detail that's on the bodice that give you a really nice waistline, and actually it's lying in jersey. And you can see there's a really sexy split and with the pointry overlay underneath the lace. So I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can actually personalize the dress. So there is this actually off the shoulder lace sleeve that you can actually wear with this dress. So this is actually the Carson detachable lace sleeve for the bride who wants to have a little coverage to cover their arms, and then you can always remove that after the ceremony. So we have another way that you actually can personalize a Carson. We actually have a two-tiered long veil that actually have the matching lace. This is actually very pretty, will be very beautiful for the ceremony. So this is actually the effect. So here is another way if you want to elevate your boho look. We have these detachable rubber sleeves that you can actually wear it with the dress. It comes in the plain 2 or the pointer 3. It has a little point volume on the bottom part and a little soft ruffle on the top. So it's kind of really cool and chic boho effect. So there you are, we have a few different personalized look for Carson, and this is actually one of my favorite sleeves that go with the dress. Please be sure to find your nearest Maggie Sottero retailer and ask how you can personalize your gowns and create your dream dress. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wedding tips and tricks.